Harbor has issued a special marine warning for
Neutral waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island. Open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10:45 p.m. At 9:25 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 38 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 11 nautical miles west of McHenry to 9 nautical miles southwest of Elgin, moving northeast at 8 knots.
hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, and Wilmette Harbor. Move to Faith Harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Move to Faith Harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The national